Hello my friends and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being part of our subscriber family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are showing you how Six Flags Fiesta Texas has amped up their efforts to really shore up Hallowfest and their efforts to scare you and entertain you. They've added something called the Freaky Car Show, and you have to see the amount or number of scare actors they put in there. With that said, go grab a drink, go grab something to eat, sit back, relax, and let's have some fun. Now, let's go. Alright guys, we are back at Six Flags Fiesta in San Antonio. And what we heard is Six Flags has amped up their scares. They've doubled the scare actors and areas which has smoke effects and things like that. So we're here to come and see it and show you some of the really cool stuff they have. And this is Hallowfest. What's really cool is they actually have areas where they're showing you specialty cars. Check this out. This is the Back to the Future DeLorean. You look at it. Check out the date. That's really cool. Oh, look at this. Lightning McQueen. They have a replica. Very nice. So here's the Men in Black cars. So here's a Men in Black Cadillac. No, wait, Chevy, I think. Very cool. This is the old one. And here's the bug truck. Very nice. So they actually did amp this up. They're putting a lot more into this, which is really a lot of fun. Check this out. Night Industries. So this is the kit car. Very cool. This is actually on the body of a Firebird / Trans Am. And this one has a T-top. Very nice. Alright, let's keep going. We have Flash Gordon. This is the, I guess, air transportation with a little gun in the front. Very nice. Okay. So as we go, they actually have the Ghostbusters Ecto car. Very, very cool. So the Ghostbusters car right here. I think there's more down there, but let's take a look. So there are a lot more scare actors. Very cool. Thank you. We have quite a few stilt walkers here. And this is Soul Harvest. So there are people on every side of this area. Nicely done. Here goes Pumpkinhead. Alright, let's keep walking. So this is White River here. And this is actually their water park, which is free if you have a membership with them. And here is a part of the automobile collection from the movies. And here is Bumblebee. And here is a Chevy Camaro. And let's keep going. Okay, so this is new. There actually is a s'mores little area where you can buy the s'mores, and they have a fire for you to toast. Really cool. This is brand spanking new. And we are in the steamed pumpkin area. You can see steaming. Daredevil, right? Whoa! Wow, you saw that? That is really cool. Here's the other guy. Steaming, eyeballs moving. Very cool. And let's keep going. Alright guys, so they definitely doubled the scare actors. This is a lot more interactive now as we get close to Halloween. Very cool. And these are the guys that were scaring the train as they come through, which is really nice. Now that is creepy. Offering of a leg. And it's gotta be barbecue.
Are you gonna cook that for dinner?
They want to give you some barbecue right there. This is really cool. He's really interactive. Oh my god. There goes the pig. Alright, so this is the scare actors. They're a lot more interactive. Very cool. It's a lot of fun. What's really cool is this. If you ever come here, look up. Right up there, that is a huge bass speaker. When the thunder hit, you can feel it from there. So let's go to the next shack. Yeah, so they definitely increased their scare actors here. Alright guys, there are many of you who love this guy. I'm coming here just to show you this guy again. Love him, so here he is. He's one of the premier scare actors that a few of you have told me you love. So, check this out. He's almost like disappeared. Whoa, there you go. Yeah, he's definitely doing it very well. So I agree with you. You know, those of you who love this guy, here he is. We're going to the next scare zone. Alright guys, so this is the infestation area. And looks like they are changing a few things around, which is great. To actually see this monster with a prosthetic looking hand, which is nice. So they're putting scare actors here.
Okay, that's really funny. The scare actor over there, down there, pretended to be running out to go after the kids, and some of these chicks, girls start running. That was funny. So they have added a stilt walker this week here. It looks like bug. Very cool. They definitely amped it up this week. And my assumption is they will amp it up until Halloween. And there's more here all the way. Check this out. Pod is moving.
Oh, that's cool.
Interesting. And let's keep going. Alright guys, so this is the old Batman in the back room. The bike. Very cool. And we'll go to the next one.
No changes to the cemetery scare zone, so let's go to the next one.
Alright guys, let's see if they have, yep, they've actually added a lot more scare actors here. Guys, look into his eyes. You will have a nightmare tonight. Oh, look at that. We have a chair of nails in here today. Yeah. This is awesome, guys. You're gonna have a nightmare from this video tonight. And there goes a creepy doll again. Very cool.
How much fun was that? And welcome back, my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.